Good morning, children. Yesterday we completed some festivals now. So today we are starting different festivals. We are celebrating all of our country celebrating national festivals. So yesterday, the before day we discussed like Diwali, Eid, Guru Purab, Christmas. Okay. So like that Onam. Like different festivals we celebrated different religions, but these festivals, national festivals, we celebrate each and every people, whole world, entire world, they can celebrate our national festivals. So especially our country celebrated grandly. Okay, so all world they can celebrate their national festivals. Okay, here our country India, we had to celebrate our national festivals. So today topic national festivals. Okay. So national festivals, mostly important festivals, enter our country celebrated 3 festivals. Okay. First one, Republic Day. Second one, Independence Day. Third one, Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, so Republic Day we celebrate January 26, Republic Day. Okay, January 26. We are celebrating the Republic Day. So in the January 26th, we have the great grand parade held in Rajpath in New Delhi. Okay, Rajpath. So in that Rajpath in New Delhi, a grand parade held. All school children, they can wear different color dresses and they have to do the parade. So they are doing different dresses they are wearing. They are doing the parade. So in that parade, they have to enjoy. They have to participate. Each and every children, they have to do the different like acting, like different they are doing salutes like parade. Okay, so some bravery children also, they will get awards like our great leaders. We have to remember our great leaders, and we have to enjoy a lot in our schools also. We are celebrating, no? So we have to remember great leaders, and we have to do the flag hosting in front of our schools, and chocolates also distributed, and different cultural programs also we are doing in our schools. So and some sports and games, conducting speeches, songs, like different competitions also conducting. So the winners also got the prizes. So in the schools we are also enjoying a lot. So 26 January in the Rashtrapat in New Delhi, a grand parade also held. Okay. Next, the Independence Day. Okay, Independence Day we know very well. 15th August. 15th August. 15th August we are celebrating the Independence Day. So in that day, so flag hosting, doing. So Independence Day we have to remember the great leaders. So Red Fort, New Delhi, we are doing the flag hosting in the Red Fort. Okay, Red Fort in New Delhi. Red Fort in New Delhi. So our Prime Minister doing the flag hosting. Okay. So here Chief Minister, Prime Ministers, Okay. So great leaders, we have to remember that great leaders, they have to sacrifice their life to our country. So in the 15th August 1947 we get independence. So freedom. The Britishers, before the independence, the Britishers rule our country. So 1947 August 15th we get independence. So we get freedom in that day. So that's why we are celebrating 15th August is the Independence Day. So same as this, in our schools also we are conducting so many different cultural activities, also doing sports and competitions also doing. So and winners, they will get prizes, and afterwards flag hosting. The principal is the head of the school. The principal only flag hosting that flag. Afterwards the sweets also distributed. In our schools, children also enjoying a lot. Okay. Next, Gandhi Jayanti. So 2nd October. So Gandhi's birthday. On that day, we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. So Gandhi, all members called Bapu. Okay, Bapu, another name. Gandhi, another name, Bapu. Actual name Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. So he is the great person. He only fighted to us. We get independence means the main role participated in this person only. That's why we celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. So the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, we will celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, all members called him Bapu. Okay. Okay. So he only helped the main person. We get the independence means. So British rule, before the Britishers only ruled our country. So he fighted against the Britishers. So we will get independence. That's why we will celebrate this national festival like Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, 2nd October, 15th August, January 25th. These 3 days are national festivals. Okay, children. See the pictures here, all of you. A grand parade held in Rajpati, New Delhi. Like this only have the parade. Okay. So Independence Day also. Like this parade also doing. So the flag is in Red Fort here. This is Rajpati, New Delhi. Okay, today we are completing the lesson. So once you have to listen that quick recap. Okay, children. Holi is the festival of colors. Diwali is the festival of lights. Eid is celebrated after Ramzan. On Gurupurab, people remember the 10 Sikh Gurus. Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Pongal and Onam are popular festivals in Tamil Nadu and Kerala respectively. We celebrate 3 national festivals: Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay? So, all of you, I hope you understand, children. All of you, just remember these days, very important. Okay? So, next you have to write the hard words. Okay, children. First you have to write the lesson name. Afterwards you have to write the hard words. Festivals are fun. Okay, hard words. All of you keep the heading. Open your classworks. Write neatly and circle in your textbooks also hard words. Okay, use pencil. Okay. Festival of colors. First one. First hard word. Festival of colors. गुलाल, G capital letter, गुलाल. गुजिया, third one, गुजिया. Okay, fourth one, festival of lights. Festival of lights. Okay. Next, fifth one, goddess Lakshmi. Goddess Lakshmi. Okay, next, diyas. Sixth one, diyas. Seventh one, light bulbs. Okay, light bulbs. L-I-G-H-T, light bulbs. Next, Ramjan. Next, Savior. Okay. Next, Sikh Gurus. 10 Sikh Gurus. Sikh Gurus. Okay. Next, Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib. Langars. Jesus Christ. So next year 25th December also given. 25th December no need. Jesus Christ. Okay. Christmas trees. Christmas trees. Okay. Next, Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu. Next, Pongal. Next, Kerala. Next, Tiruvonam. Tiruvonam. Pokrams. Onam Sadhya. Onam Sadhya. Payasam. Next, January. Next, Rajpath. Next, Red Fort. October, Mahatma Gandhi. October, Mahatma Gandhi. Next, Bapu. Another name Bapu. These all are hard words. Okay, children, you have to learn each and every hard word. Okay. Once I will repeat. Listen. Okay, here circle in your textbook now. Once see. Festival of colors. Okay, Gulal, Gujia. Festival of lights. Goddess Lakshmi. Diyas, light bulbs. Ramjan. Sevia, Sikh Gurus, Guru Granth Sahib, Langars, December, Jesus Christ, Christmas trees, Pongal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Tiruvonam, Poklams, Onam Sadhya, Payasam, January, Rajpath, August, Red Fort, October, Mahatma Gandhi, Bapu. Okay, these all are hard words. So, just you have to learn each and every hard word. Okay, you have to take your homework. So, today homework, add the lesson hard words. Just once you have to read the lesson today topics and you have to learn each and every hard word. Okay, learn and write, add the lesson hard words.